so here's the front of the device. Here's the button. Here's the charging. So we push it once. So we push this again. One more time. There's the network. There's the password. In order to connect your Chromebook to the MiFi device, you're going to hit here, you're going to click to your networks, and you're going to scroll down till you see your Ellipsis Jetpack with your number on it. You're going to click there, and then you're going to enter the password that was in on your Ellipsis Jetpack. And that's it. In order to do a hard reset, you stick your finger in the piece by the charging port, pull the back off, pull the battery out, put the battery back in, put the case back on, and push the power button.